Hey there, future Python pros. Welcome back to Programming and Coding Explained, the channel where we make programming simple, fun, and inspiring. Today, we're diving into a question that many of you have asked. Which field of Python is the best? Python is an incredibly versatile language. It's used in so many fields, from web development and data science to machine learning and even game development. But with so many options, it can be tough to figure out where to start and which field is right for you. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of the most popular fields in Python, their pros and cons, and how to choose the one that's best for your goals. Let's get started. Before we dive into specific fields, let's talk about why Python is so widely used. Simplicity. Python's clean syntax makes it easy to learn and apply, whether you're working on small scripts or large-scale projects. Versatility. Python is used in a wide range of industries, from tech to healthcare to finance. Libraries and frameworks. Python's massive library ecosystem makes it faster and easier to tackle specialized tasks in different fields. Demand. Python skills are highly sought after, which means no matter which field you choose, you'll have opportunities to build an exciting and well-paid career. The best field for Python depends on your interests and goals, so let's explore the options. Here are the top fields where Python shines, along with what makes each one exciting. Number 1. Data science. What it's about. Data science involves analyzing and interpreting data to uncover insights and solve problems. Python is a favorite in this field because of its powerful libraries like Pandas, NumPy, and Matplotlib. Why it's great. High demand across industries like healthcare, finance, and tech. You'll work on exciting problems like predicting trends or optimizing processes. Who it's for. If you enjoy working with numbers, spotting patterns, and making data-driven decisions, this could be the field for you. Potential salary. Data scientists typically earn $90,000 to $140,000 per year. Number 2. Machine learning and artificial intelligence. AI. What it's about. Machine learning and AI involve creating algorithms that allow systems to learn and make decisions. Think recommendation systems, self-driving cars, and chatbots. Why it's great. It's one of the fastest-growing fields in tech. You'll work on cutting-edge technology that's shaping the future. Who it's for. If you're excited by AI and want to create intelligent systems, this is a fantastic choice. Potential salary. Machine learning engineers earn $100,000 to $150,000 per year. Number 3. Web development. What it's about. Web development involves building websites and web applications. Python frameworks like Django and Flask make it easy to create dynamic, scalable, and secure web apps. Why it's great. You'll create products that people interact with daily, like e-commerce sites or social platforms. It's a great entry point for beginners who want to see immediate results. Who it's for. If you enjoy creating user experiences and building functional, interactive applications, web development is perfect. Potential salary. Web developers earn $60,000 to $120,000 per year. Number 4. Automation and scripting. What it's about. Automation involves using Python to write scripts that simplify or eliminate repetitive tasks. For example, automating data entry, sending emails, or web scraping. Why it's great. You'll save time and make tedious tasks more efficient. It's a great way to learn Python and apply it to practical problems quickly. Who it's for. If you're looking for fast results and love creating tools to make life easier, this is a great starting point. Potential salary. Automation engineers earn $70,000 to $100,000 per year. Number 5. Game development. What it's about. Python is used for creating indie and 2D games using libraries like Pygame. While it's not as popular as other languages for 8AA games, it's excellent for small-scale projects. Why it's great. You can bring your creative ideas to life. It's a fun way to learn programming while building something playable. Who it's for. If you're a gamer and dream of creating your own games, this is a great way to get started. Potential salary. Game developers earn $60,000 to $110,000 per year. Number 6. Cybersecurity. What it's about. Python is widely used in cybersecurity for tasks like automating threat detection, penetration testing, and analyzing security logs. Why it's great. Cybersecurity is a growing field with high demand. You'll protect systems and data from potential threats. Who it's for. If you're passionate about protecting information and enjoy problem solving, cybersecurity is a great choice. Potential salary. Cybersecurity analysts earn $80,000 to $120,000 per year. Number 7. Finance and FinTech. What it's about. In the finance industry, Python is used for algorithmic trading, risk analysis, and automating financial reports. Why it's great. Python simplifies complex calculations and financial modeling. It's a highly lucrative field with exciting opportunities in tech-driven finance. Who it's for. If you're fascinated by markets, money, and math, finance is an excellent field for Python. Potential salary. Financial analysts and fintech developers earn $70,000 to $130,000 per year. With so many fields to choose from, how do you decide which one is best for you? Here are some tips. Think about your interests. Do you love numbers and solving puzzles? Explore data science or machine learning. Interested in creating products people use every day? Try web development. Want to simplify tasks or save time? Look into automation. Passionate about security? Dive into cybersecurity. Consider your goals. Are you looking for a high-paying job? Fields like machine learning, data science, and finance often pay the most. Want quick results? Automation and web development are great places to start. Experiment with projects. Start small. Build a simple web app, automate a task, or analyze some data. Experimenting will help you discover what excites you the most. Here's the truth. There's no one best field in Python. There's only the best field for you. The beauty of Python is that it gives you the freedom to explore multiple fields. Don't worry if you don't know your exact path yet. Every project you work on, every problem you solve, will bring you closer to finding what you truly love. Remember this. You don't have to master everything overnight. The key is to start small, stay curious, and keep moving forward. Whether you're building your first app, automating a simple task, or diving into machine learning, every step you take is progress. And here's the exciting part. Python is your gateway to opportunities you might not even imagine yet. Fields like AI, data science, and cybersecurity are shaping the future, and by learning Python, you're positioning yourself at the forefront of innovation. So, which field of Python is best? The answer depends on your passions, goals, and the problems you want to solve. Whether it's data science, web development, or automation, Python opens doors to a wide range of exciting and well-paid careers. If you're still exploring, let me know in the comments which field excites you the most, or if you have questions about getting started. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Programming and Coding Explained for more beginner-friendly programming tips and career advice. Remember, your Python journey is yours to shape. Keep exploring, keep coding, and keep building the future you dream of. You've got this.